My name is Johan Stam. I'm a floral designer from Holland and also co-founder of Bloomtube. In my daily work, I do a lot of large-scale wedding decorations, event decorations. And what we find out during making those decorations is that the time planning is very crucial, especially with these smaller, time-consuming decorations, as for instance this plate decoration. It's a small branch with flowers glued on top. And it would be very handy if you could do these 2 days ahead. And you can. So if you glue this together, you store it in a small box and wrap the whole thing in a fresh flower bag. And if you keep them in a cool place like a fridge or a cooler, you can use them 2 days later for your event, and that will save you a lot of time, a lot of labor, but also a lot of stress. So for me, these are really, really useful.